Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make gummy bears in a factory. We'll explore the fascinating journey from raw ingredients to the chewy, colorful candies we all love. This process combines precise measurements, careful heating, and specialized molding techniques to create consistent, delicious results. Understanding each step reveals the sweet science behind these popular treats. Get ready to discover the magic of gummy bear manufacturing. The journey begins with essential ingredients like gelatin, sugar, and corn syrup, which are the foundation of every gummy bear. These are precisely measured and combined in large industrial mixers. The mixture is then heated to a specific temperature, creating a thick, hot syrup. This ensures all components are fully dissolved and blended, preparing the base for the next exciting stage of production. Once the syrup is ready, it's carefully deposited into thousands of tiny molds, often made from cornstarch. These molds give the gummies their iconic shapes, like bears or rings. The filled molds then move into specialized cooling tunnels, where the temperature is precisely controlled. This crucial step allows the liquid mixture to solidify, transforming it into the chewy texture we all recognize. After cooling, the solidified gummies are gently demolded and cleaned to remove any excess starch. Many are then tumbled with a fine layer of carnauba wax, giving them that appealing shine and preventing sticking. Finally, the finished gummy bears are accurately weighed and sealed into their packaging, ready to be shipped to stores worldwide. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.